Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: level, path, and base supplies. Once confirmed, go directly to the Only Way hub area and open the crafting menu. Make sure you have at least 10 common darts or 5 poison shards. Next, equip your ranged weapon and select the poison slot on your quickbar so you can apply darts mid-run. Move to a low-risk map to test pickups immediately because you want to convert resources into poison darts before tackling tougher enemies. Once done with setup, focus on efficient farming and precise crafting. You should farm enemies known to drop poison shards, spider, viper, and rottenite, staying in 30 to 45 second loops to maximize shard per minute. Make sure to return to the Only Way bench between loops. The crafting recipe combines 1 common dart plus 1 poison shard into 1 poison dart, so keep counts balanced. Also, use 2x speed boosts if available to increase clear rate, and stop. To finish, apply poison darts from your quickbar and verify effect duration and stacking behavior against targets. If you run out of shards, make sure to replay maps with high drop rates or trade with the Only Way vendor when possible. This replenishes your materials faster than random roaming. If crafting fails, first confirm the bench is unlocked, then clear inventory space and relog if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the map if drops seem bugged. It often resets drop tables and fixes missing shards.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.